Okay, so the roofers are installing the Cedar Breath product, and that allows the shingles to get some air circulating beneath them. So yeah, things are coming along nice. Still waiting on our windows though. Okay, the guys are doing a nice job. We got severe backlighting, so I'm going to crank up the exposure a bit. But yeah, it's looking good. We got the cedar breather down. We'll walk around this way a little bit, see if I can get up and out of the glare. Okay, much better. So you can see the multiple rows of tar paper, and the top of each course of cedar shingle slips up under the tar paper, and so that helps to keep everything nice and waterproof. Everything runs over the layer before and keeps it from coming into the house. And you see the guys are all roped up nicely. There are the caps for all the vents that are in the house. One's for a bathroom here, one is for a whole house vent, and the other is the laundry room vent, and that one is for the master bathroom vent. And then up over there you see the 3-inch main stack coming up. So yeah, things are coming together very nicely. They're going to be back tomorrow, but then they have to take off, and we'll be back again Monday. So they won't be here Friday, but they'll be back Monday. And which is good because they'll have it pretty well covered, and there is rain forecast for, I think, the weekend and next week. So hopefully these guys will be in between the rain showers, and the roof will be fully enclosed, covered before they leave on Friday. Well, with that tar paper up there, it is pretty much effectively covered, so that's good. Okay, let's go back upstairs and take a look at the plumbing. Okay, the guys are making good progress today. The roofing is most of the way up. So they'll get most of this roof done today. And then there's a couple of smaller roofs sections to do, that and the shed roof. So there's a couple of things that do need to happen yet. But it's looking real nice. Blends in nicely with the old roof.